The legendary Rob Papen needs no introduction. Let's have a look at his latest offering. So by the looks of it, Go2 is designed to be a very user-friendly, very intuitive, and very easy-to-use plugin. I think his idea was it's designed to be your first plugin that you use. And if some of you have been sort of dabbling with music production for a while, I'm sure you've come across Rob Papen's stuff. And for me personally, his plugins were some of the first plugins that I ever used. So the way that I kind of know about sound design and pretty much all the parameters and stuff like that, I can attest to Rob Papen's plugins and the fact that already he's able to design plugins that are incredibly user-friendly. But up until now, I've always found that his plugins involved a lot of pages and a lot of hidden menus and a lot of sort of more advanced functions that you really had to read the manual or you really had to know what you're doing to actually know how to work the thing. And I think Go2 is kind of designed to be the opposite of that. It's kind of designed to be really, really easy, really simple, but still offer you all the things that you need to create really complex tones. So the idea is that it's a single oscillator. Within that single oscillator, they claim that you're able to morph it to create complex tones to the point where you actually don't need other oscillators. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it out today and show you guys some of the sounds that I can come up with and let you know, in my honest opinion, what I think and if you guys should grab this plugin. Check it out. Not bad so far. Let me see the ultimate test. Does it bass? Just going to pop a sample in here so we can check if it can actually make some decent trance basses. It does seem like it's very low on the CPU, which is always a good thing. I've kind of been looking for a plugin that's very simple, very easy to use to teach the more sort of the more beginner stuff. Just like regular bass lines and stuff, not too like advanced sound design type stuff. And I think this might be the plugin to go to. Very nice, very tight bass sound. I like the envelopes, they're very snappy. So yeah, it's definitely something to consider. Very simple, very easy to use. I mean, look, I was able to create a bass sound in like less than 5 minutes. So definitely something to consider. I'm going to check if I can make some lead sounds as well. And that is Rob Papen's new Go2 VST plugin, ladies and gentlemen. Super awesome, super easy to use, very intuitive. And as you can see, I mean, I already made a couple of sounds within minutes. So highly suggest you guys go and check that out. It's really affordable and, like I said, very easy to use. So if you're a beginner and you're looking at learning sound design, this is something you should definitely check out. I'm going to post a link in the comments where you guys can go and grab that and let me know what you guys think. As always, if you guys like what I do and you want to support my channel, head on over to my Patreon and check out the different pledges I've got there. As always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time.